birthday, girl. How old are you?
2.
3.
That's my daddy.
Maya Papaya is 3 today.
That's my daddy.
What?
Let's go.
Your phone charged. Look at the shoes, y'all. Look at the hair, y'all. What are you doing? Daddy Zahn in the building. Daddy Zahn in the building. Oh, Maya told me to close my eyes. We at the doctor's, y'all. Closing my eyes. Okay, I'm ready.
Happy birthday!
Why is she so loud? It's your birthday.
You good, mommy? I'm winding the door. I'm done.
Okay.
You do yourself.
Okay.
You are my face.
Okay. Here's my mirror. Thing to be called. We're all hungry and ready to go.
Can I go to the doctor?
We are at the doctor.
I want to go in there.
We are gonna go in there. What's up, y'all? Long time no see.
Hi,
We
friend.
got a birthday girl. We in Walmart getting her a candle. Here, number 3 right here. Which one you want? This one or this one? Which one? This one. There you
Yeah.
go. Get it.
Hi, Jiffy.
That's probably better for the kids. We got Daddy Zahn right here. Konnichiwa. Ain't that what that is? Ain't that who do that? That is who do that. You gotta push the cart so I can record for them. Oh, look at this hat. Mama, look. Not her daddy kept rolling, y'all. He like, I done spent enough money. Why you ignore the hat, babe?
Good, you already know what you about to do. You're splurging.
I'm not gonna splurge. We on your dime today. We on Daddy Zahn dime today. Ain't that right, Maya? He said we can have whatever we like. Oh, yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, God! No! God, please, no!
No.
Yes.
No.
What goes copy the channel? What goes copy the daddy? I got clap that beer.
Why you gotta do your hand like that? Do I be doing all that? Do I be doing this with my hands? She be like, subscribe to our channel. Ooh. Y'all like my butterfly top? This what babe got for me when we went. If y'all seen our video where we went thrift shopping for each other, this is the shirt he got for me. I finally wore it with my red shorts and my sparkly slides. Some slight, you know. I bet he didn't even notice. Did you even notice I had on the shirt you got for me?
Yes, I did.
You didn't say anything.
Why I gotta say something?
Because, like, what? You're supposed to know this when I do things.
Girl, I bought this shirt 2 months ago.
Okay, don't be dramatic. It was not 2 months ago.
Wasn't it in July we did that?
No. Or was it? Maybe it was 2 months ago. Time be going by fast. It's like that was just like 2 weeks ago. I don't think that was 2 months ago. Maybe a month ago. Where are we? Where? You passed the tissue that we get. We get Angel Soft. Amir, he knocked out, y'all. He got 2 shots today at the doctor, y'all. He took it like a G. He did not cry when he got his first shot, but that second shot he did, but he only cried for like 3 seconds. He mommy strong, baby. But now he knocked out. Maya did good. She was a big girl. She didn't get any shots though. She said, I didn't want a shot. You didn't want a shot?
No.
She did good. I don't want to see your candy. See, look, that's what you get. Do you know what we're going to do for her?
Nope.
She said she wanted to go to the zoo, but y'all, it's like super hot outside. I don't know if that's the move. What you think, babe? Wanna go to the zoo?
You will be driving.
To the zoo? That's right, I drive. I got something on my sleeve if I drive. I don't really like driving down there.
You know,
Cause I got a parallel park. You know, I know how to parallel park, y'all. Let me not say that.
Yeah, right.
But it be a struggle sometimes. So y'all, these are the crumble cookies that we got. So we got birthday cake batter for Maya. We got 2 of those, but one is for her. Then we got the double chocolate with semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then of course the chocolate chip for Daddy Don, because he's kind of basic.
might as well.
But we're gonna sing happy birthday with Maya with this cookie. We're gonna put her candle on top, so stay tuned to see that. Huh? You gotta get the joystick out.
Yeah. That's the OG.
Playing the game. Look at Daddy Don. This boy in heaven. He like, oh, I get to still play the game, even though I'm at home.
This is
What?
This is throwback.
Sonic? I sure used to play this.
Yeah, but this is on the Genesis.
This is what you tried to say was your first game, and it wasn't.
No, I did not say this was my first game.
What was it that you said?
Oh my gosh. Look at me.
What was that you said was your first game, but it was actually your father's game?
It was a Dreamcast.
Oh, Dreamcast. She playing the PlayStation. You want your baby? This is a good mom right here. She bring her baby everywhere. Look at kid number 1, small kid, big kid. Big kid. And then there's the baby. I'm just a baby. Get my baby boy. Birthday girl. You got your baby on the floor? I'm calling CPS.
Hey, our reaction time was 1 point.
What, is that bad? What's the average reaction time?
So my average reaction.
Huh?
So mine is 1.5 seconds. I play 6 hours.
Let me try.
That's crazy.
I'm about to try this, y'all.
I mean, that's
see.
crazy.
All right. Please wait. Now, what am I supposed to do?
You just move the target to the balloon.
To the what?
It's a balloon that's gonna pop up. You gotta put it on there.
Y'all, this mouse was playing me. It was trash. It was not working right. And needless to say, I failed. That's super far. Moving on. She was asking for the dinosaur. Here's the dinosaur. Oh. Do you hear that?
Are you scared?
Like, I'm not scared. See, I'm strong. She said it's gonna bite you. She said it's gonna bite you.
Might as well.
Alright, eat him up. You're gonna taste all Swiss rolls. Taco. Chicken wing. Burgers. You hear the dinosaur, man? Look at his face. He's like, what is that? Look, man.
You okay? I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro.
Maya is amazed by the tornado, which is AKA mist. Oh, you want to see a fossil? Follow that up.
I know, we gotta look at it.
Oh, you can touch it. You can't pick it up, but you can touch it.
No,
Don't pick it up,
this.
though. I don't know. Maya, what'd you
No,
say?
you can't go in there, no.
Is it pretty cool?
No, you can't.
He's working on something. Alright, y'all. So me and the guy about to build this arch. So I'm gonna put y'all down here so y'all can see us build the arch. Okay? Okay, so y'all, we really did try with this, but needless to say, the arch was never built. Maybe another time. Moving on again. Look at this, y'all. Help your daughter. Here, you want to put it in the cup holder? Guess not. She's short. Hey, I'm only 3. Can you see? She's looking at the sky. I'm saying y'all want to look in there and see what y'all see. Wow, we're walking over the highway. That's low-key kind of creepy. Like, what if this thing was to break and somebody falls through there? No. I will not be walking over that. Is it good? Is it good?
I paid for it. You know it's overpriced at these free attractions.
Dang, look, it's already cracked. Look, y'all, it's already cracking. That thing is already, that looks like somebody shot the window. Yeah, come on. The planetarium. We're going inside the box.
What, baby? I was Boss Baby.
Huh?
I was Boss Baby.
You seen this on Boss Baby?
Yeah.
Look at this. These are pretty. Y'all see that one right there? That is gorgeous.
It's your money.
Huh?
I love it.
Girl, we can go all the way down here if you want to. It's your world. We just living in it. Look at the seashells.
Seashell by the seashore.
Well, how you say it, babe?
Seashell by the seashore.
You're supposed to say it fast, not slow. Say it fast.
Seashell by the seashore.
Say it again.
I already said it. You said it fast. I said it.
You're supposed to say it fast 3 times.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
Stop.
Stop what?
I think that's a paid trash.
Well, we about to pay today. Big Daddy Don got the coins. Big Daddy Boss. Oh, this is gorgeous. My mom would like this. She loves elephants, y'all. My mom. She says it brings good fortune. These are gorgeous. I'm coming. God damn. Jeez. Look. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? It's like a person that weighs 100 pounds on Earth will weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. Baby, send me to Mars. Send me to Mars so I can be slim, thick.
Okay.
Babe. This thing say on Mars you will weigh less. So I'm about to go to Mars. You hear me? Y'all see how he be treating me? He be straight ignoring me. If you go to Mars, you will be 70 pounds. Do you hear me? Hello? Hello. I'm about to knock him upside his head, y'all. So if y'all see his head go rolling. Like, no, you was ignoring me. I'm trying to teach you about Mars and Earth.
I'm trying to see what I'm supposed to do.
I'm trying to educate you.
I don't need you. We at the science center. They educating me. I don't need you.
First off, you need me. Okay?
To educate? No.
Yes. You can learn from all people. So you can't learn from me? So why are you with me? Because we're supposed to stimulate each other.
I'm not with you to learn.
We're supposed to, yes, you are. We're supposed to stimulate each other in all forms of fashion. Period. Right. Silent. Yeah. Look at this big boy. Look at this big boy. He's talking some chickens. Run, chicken, run. Look, he like, he like, no, boy.
We'll get you later.
Big boy. On 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.